Allison and Brandon, the group Arkansans for Limited Government says the Secretary of State's office assured the group it had filed all necessary documents by the July 5th deadline. Now, in the Secretary of State's response filed today, it acknowledges the office received an email from the group asking for a copy of what to submit. But the Secretary of State denies a claim from Arkansans for Limited Government that the office assured the group that all necessary paperwork was submitted.
Let's take you back to July 5th, the deadline for Arkansans for Limited Government to submit nearly 91,000 signatures needed to get an amendment on the November ballot. It would legalize abortion in Arkansas during the first 18 weeks of pregnancy.
The process for getting a constitutional amendment or a statute on the ballot in any state, which includes Arkansas, is a difficult and technical process.
Arkansans for Limited Government submitted roughly 101,000 signatures. The Secretary of State's office says about 87,000 of those signatures were collected by volunteer canvassers, and those signatures will count towards the nearly 91,000 requirement. However, the 14,000 collected by paid canvassers won't count. The Secretary of State cited a lack of necessary paperwork submitted along with the signatures, prompting the lawsuit from Arkansans for Limited Government, which says it did submit proper paperwork.
There's a difference in the law. Different requirements apply to paid canvassers than volunteer canvassers. That's just the way it is. The reason the law is written that way is principally there's a worry that because paid canvassers have a financial interest in collecting signatures, there's a concern that they will be more likely to make mistakes, more likely to violate the law, more likely to do something that's unethical.
Therefore, additional protections are in place to ensure everything is done by the book. The Arkansas Supreme Court is now left to decide officially what happens to the 14,000 signatures from the paid canvassers. If the court rules in favor of the Secretary of State, the case will be tossed out and the ballot initiative would not go forward. The court could also order that the signatures from paid canvassers be formally counted, or either give Arkansans for Limited Government more time to collect additional signatures needed. Either way, the decision will likely come sooner rather than later.
I would say within a matter of days, because the final ballots have to go out in mid to late August, around August 20th, I believe. And so I think the court will rule within days after the final brief is submitted.
Speaking of a brief, each side is required to submit a brief to the Supreme Court by this Friday, August the 2nd. Then each side is required to submit a response to the other side's brief by the following Friday, August the 9th. That would allow for the Supreme Court to issue its ruling. In the studio tonight, Chip Scarborough, 4029 News.